Morning. We're at it again. And we've got Ray with us. How you doing, mate? Lovely day, isn't it? And if you can see just down there, we've got Terri and Paul and Willow. Morning! And as you guys know, they're great supporters of the channel. They're our moderators and they do such a fantastic job. They're with me all the way. Thanks very much for joining, and let's see what's on this rope, shall we? Chap can and a load of rubbish. Oh, actually. We got a toopy. We got a toopy. We got a toopy, 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 toopy. I win. Hey.
A rod rest.
A rod rest.
But hopefully we can take it back.
Oh.
A yellow lock.
Oh. Oh yeah, door lock.
Yeah, door lock. It's a yellow lock. I think.
Oh wow.
I think it's had its day. But
Well, probably, yeah.
yeah, there you go.
We're not at a lock, and you find a lock. Oh. Oh. Pair of scissors. Nice one. I found myself a pair of scissors that the fishermen probably using. Sweet. Oh, fishing jig, spinner. Oh wow, nice one. Oh, cool. So I'm going to go and bag that litter up in a minute because it's doing me head in. We got a penny, we got a penny. He's got a penny, he's got a penny, 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 penny. Oh, he's caught up. Yeah, I'll stick on my path. Oh, another penny. Oh, another penny. They're like throwing pennies in this bit. I don't know where that is. Lock. On, off. Ignition. Oh, okay, so that's an ignition barrel. That's weird. Why has that been chopped off or broken off? Wow. Not seen one of them before. Oh. Oh, wow. What's that used for then?
I don't know. Is it a tyre lever?
Oh, it could be. What you found? An ignition lock?
Yeah, it is indeed.
This is it. Ignition lock
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I don't know what that is.
That's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, while I'm finding ignition locks, Ray's finding what seems to be, well, he said a tyre iron, and I'm inclined to believe him, to be honest. Maybe. I don't know. We're not 100% sure. Nice.
Wow.
And it's definitely tool-like because
Yeah.
it's in there.
I've got scissors as well.
You know what? I've just worked out what this is. I've just worked out what it is. What does that, forget that bottom bit, that top bit. You know, for opening a gate.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, on the. Yeah.
Yeah, just like moving it across,
You're right.
unlatching a gate. He's got a doopy, 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 doopy.
And
A knuckle or something,
yeah.
pipe knuckle. Oh, I got a spanner. Finding tools now. Sweet. Oh, nice. We're finding loads of fishing stuff. Fisherman, take your rubbish home here. Oh.
Part of a handle, possible?
Oh, could be.
You don't know.
Yeah. Oh. Aaron, do you want me spark plug? Aaron! Aaron! Put the spark plug. Yeah, thanks very much. Love you, Terry. Thank you.
So I just picked up.
Ah, that's a really tiny belt. It's more like a collar, isn't it?
Yeah, it is indeed.
Oh wow. We found a collar.
Yeah.
Oh, I see something red. Pair of scissors.
Oh, thank you, my darling. Thank you. I will do.
Nice. Oop, hello. What's that? Oh, I got a padlock. Well, that's a weird one. Got a padlock. Oh, that's an old one. Well crusted up. Ooh, a bit of a bike. Yeah, brake part of a bike and a 2P. Oh. Glove down, glove down. Need to save my glove. Oh no, it's getting away. Oh, it's getting away. Come back, come back. Oh, come on. Bingo. Oh. Yay, I saved me glove. Oh no. I don't usually chuck my gloves in. We've got some friends. I better stop for a minute. Cheers, Terry.
I don't know whether can you go down that. You know where that.
Down the side there.
Well, yeah, being just a bit careful.
Oh, stinging nettles.
Okay, you'll be alright there.
Am I on it?
I think so.
Oh no, I've got the end of it. Wow. Whoa. You alright there?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh. Wow. You're crazy.
Oh well.
Cool. Look, I had a clamp. I
my
thought
word.
I thought it was on the end, but I actually got a clamp as well.
Blood and sand.
Wow.
Right.
Ugh. Yep. Oh. Oh, another little fishing jig. Little fishing
Right.
lure. Lovely. Oh, that's a tool of some
Yeah.
sort.
And then
Oh, key. Car key.
with a car key.
Oh.
It's a Toyota.
Oh.
Toyota.
Oh, nice one. Cool.
Toyota.
So we've been fishing for just over an hour. We've got a few bits there, look, like a Yale door lock and a few bits. And if you have a look over here, we've got plenty out here, look. Loads of little bits and pieces, scrappy rubbish and stuff, and a clamp and just bits and pieces. There's a raised latch from a gate and a rod rest and a collar. And I've got myself a big padlock, and that's an ignition for something. Ignition lock. We've got battery, and we've got some found a car key, and we've got a spanner, loads of fishing stuff, a couple of pairs of scissors, loads of pennies, and then just general rubbish. But it's a good job it's out of the water. Should we go and see what Terry and Paul and Willow have been up to? Yeah. How we doing, Terry?
Alright, hot.
Alright.
Very hot.
Cool, this is a bit, am I going to end up in, I've taken a shortcut, am I going to end up on me
Do
bottom?
not go there.
How you doing, Terry? Alright?
Yeah, I'm alright. Just moving up there a bit hot.
Yeah, it is a bit, isn't it? It's nice weather today.
Oh, it is, yeah.
So, you had any fun down here?
Yeah. Horse bits out, so
Yeah? Cool.
it's all out, isn't it?
Should we go and have a look?
Yep.
Let's go and see what we've got. Right, Paul. So what we got here then?
A few odds and sods, nothing major's coming out.
So we've got a bucket of rubbish there. You got me. Oh yeah, loads and loads of bits and pieces. We've got this big old bit there. And, oh wow, ding ding! Nice one.
Saved it for you, Dave.
Oh, cool. You know, I like a ding ding. So we've got a pedal and, what's that? That's one of them feeding things for the fishies.
Fish finger, right.
Yeah. So we've had a couple of them out before. The first time I pulled one out, it confused me, but now I know what they are. Sweet. Well, it's all out of the river. And there isn't much coming out of this bit, but there's still a few bits. What we got here? Hello, Willow. I must say thank you very much for my portrait earlier. You've done a very nice likeness of me, didn't you?
She did.
And I'll show you at the end when I do an outro. I'll get it out of the car and show people. Cool. What we got here? We've got some pennies. Nice. We've got a pair of scissors. Do you think they'll work again? No, I don't think they'll work again. We've got a chav can. We've got, what's that? Oh, a little baggie. Oh, the baggie had the weights in it. I remember you saying now. So Terry found these weights in this bag. That's pretty cool. Oh, you've got another 2p there. You've got all these poles and bits and pieces out. And you've got a few bits in the bucket as well. Nice one. You got anything over there? Or you put it all here? It's all here. Cool. We're getting stuff out. So that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Probably about 4 or 5 buckets of scrap out already. So not too bad.
Better out than in.
Yep. It's all out of the environment.
Well, that's a ding ding, Dave. That's an old bike
Oh, an old bike bell. Ding, ding.
You've got to have that, Dave. Clean it up.
I had a big one like that, and it was like red and white spotted on top. And I've cleaned it all up and I've sprayed it blue.
Oh,
I had
right.
some blue spray left over, so I sprayed it blue. And I want to get that on my bike. I only really need to find a bolt and that can go on.
Yeah.
Well, we've had an interesting couple of hours. And we're going to get this massive pole cut up and we're going to move to location number 2. See you in a bit. We've got a lovely new location. And Terry and Paul are there. And we've got this whole side of the bridge here. And the bridge there. And we've got a nice little mill just there. And I'm going to try my luck just here. Let's hope we find something. Well, it's a bit busy here, so you'll have to excuse me for the noise. I'm going in. I got something. Whoa. Cool. Oh, I see. It's a fence pin. Oh look, there's another fence pin for Ray. There you go, a bit bent at the bottom, we probably want that. Oh.
Before you throw in,
Yeah. Make a bit of rebar. Right, I'm going to give up on this patch because there's loads of weeds and there's them like 3 big items here that we can't even get out, and there's nothing else coming out.
no.
There's not much going on at this bridge, it's far too shallow and we don't want to break our magnets. And how we doing, Paul?
Oh, good.
You alright?
Yeah.
It's a lovely looking t-shirt there, look. But I've got a little something for you.
All right. Oh, okay.
There you go. He's Sonic's official supporter today. And there you go, Terry, it's one for you. I'm not touching your chest.
That's not
And
fair.
there's a little one for you. So stick it over there while you're fishing today.
Thank you.
Hey! There we go. We're Sonic Supporters Club today. Well done. Thanks, Willow. Cheers, Paul. There we go. So, Craig, we've got your own back on Nigel now. So, we're going to move on to another bridge because this one's a bit pants. Innit, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next location, here we come. And you got your sticker. Oh. Oh. Ah, shake it off. Oh. Morning. While you're here, do you fancy watching another video? And hit the subscribe button. Thanks very much for joining. See you on the next adventure. Ding ding!